Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing really well today. So I wanted to jump straight on in. I've made my morning coffee and I'm writing down everything I want to get done today because I just love ticking everything off at the end of the day. It just keeps me on track, keeps me focused, and it just keeps me motivated. So go ahead and write yours as well. I'm going to go ahead and start off in the bedroom today just by stripping the bed, getting that in the wash so we can make everything nice and cozy, and then we can go from there. So do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave today's video a thumbs up and let's just jump straight on in.
Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
So I don't want to sound dramatic or anything, but having a clean kitchen is honestly one of my favourite things. I don't know what it is, but it just gives me such a good, happy feeling. Like it puts me in a good mood for the rest of the day, and it's honestly, it kind of feels like a weight has been lifted. Like I feel lighter, and I know that sounds so weird just having a clean kitchen, but honestly it does. It makes me feel lighter, it makes me feel happy and ready for the day. So this felt really good on this day, and I'm actually really looking forward to spring now. I'm over winter, I'm over the cold weather, and I can't wait to do all of the spring cleaning, doing like just all of the decluttering and organizing that I do in spring, and just getting this house super duper clean is something that I'm really looking forward to. I don't know if it's just me, but I love a good old spring clean. So all of my spring cleaning content is going to be coming very, very soon because I am just over winter. So I actually don't remember the last time I gave the sink a good old scrub. So I wanted to go in with the anti-bac spray to begin with, and now I'm just giving it a good scrub over with the Cif cream. And that product used to be my ride or die for the sink. I used to use it every day without fail, and I kind of fell off a little bit. I still love the product, and whenever I do the sink I use it. but I don't do the sink as often as I should. I'm just gonna hold my hands up, I really don't, but hopefully I can get back into the routine of giving it a good scrub over, because it's really satisfying to do, to be honest. I really enjoy it. But once I had all of that done, I needed to head through into the front room and fold this laundry. It has been sitting in the basket for like 3 days, so I really had to get that done and put away. So I'm now just going to go ahead and tick off what I've done so far. I love ticking it off at the end. I don't really tick it off as I go, because then I've just got more to cross out at the end of the day, and I just find it really satisfying. But here we go, it's the next day now, and I'm picking it back up in the dressing room, because as you can see, it's an absolute mess. This room never stays tidy for long, but it doesn't really take too long to do. So I just wanted to whiz around and get this room nice and fresh. And you can also see that basket of laundry didn't get put away yesterday. I managed to fold it and take it upstairs, but obviously putting it away, it was just too much effort. So I need to go ahead and do that as well. Do all of the dusting and the hoovering, just do all of the things and get it nice and fresh. Feeling so much better in there now, so I can head through into the bedroom and pretty much do the same thing. It's just the dusting and hoovering, tidying up, making it nice and cozy. So there's a few things that I wanted to take off of the windowsill because it was just sort of collecting vases, so I needed to take those and put them in different rooms. And I also need to move those teddies out that you can see on the windowsill. Those are Robin Mine's childhood teddies, so we are keeping them. Obviously we cannot throw them away, but I don't want to just shove them in a cupboard either, but I also don't want them collecting dust on the windowsill. So I'm really not sure what to do with those at the moment. They're actually on a shelf in my dressing room because it is something nice to see, and obviously we love those teddies. It doesn't matter how old we get, we're gonna love them, so we want them out. So I think I might put a shelf up in the bedroom. Obviously can't keep them on the bed because Max will just think they're toys, so they have to stay out the way. So I think I might put a little corner shelf in the corner of the room for them. That might be cute. But yeah, let me know down in the comments if you have a childhood teddy, because like I said, it really doesn't matter how old you are gonna love them for the rest of your life. But here we are, I'm now downstairs, and again I just need to do all the things, all the dusting, all the hoovering, and just making it feel really fresh and cozy. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video. Do go ahead and leave it a thumbs up if you did, and also don't forget to subscribe before you leave. It would help me out a ton. I'm on my way to 5,000 subscribers, and I would love you to stick around and help me out by clicking that red subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys back here in my next one. Bye.